Hello everyone, today I am sharing this video, and this video will be very helpful for the students who are studying in grade 10th and 12th, as I am sharing that how you can view the sample question paper for your upcoming exams for the CBSE board examination. So what you have to do, you have to go through the CBSE website from the link cbse.nic.in, which you can easily view over here. After that, you have to go to your academic website, and here you can see that there are various categories. Okay, so you have to go to the sample question paper, which you can see over here, and from here you have to go to the session, this current session, that is 2021-2022 session sample question paper. And here you will select your class, as I am selecting class 12th. So here you can see various subjects, and corresponding to each subject you are having sample question paper and its marking scheme. Similarly, if you want to view sample question paper for your vocational subject, that is like information technology code 802, for example, you have to view its sample question paper and its marking scheme. So for that you have to click here, and from here you can select your class. And see, here you can see all your skill subjects. So I am going through this information technology subject with code 802. Here it is sample question paper. Download it, and here you can see the pattern of your question paper, like from which unit, how many marks, and number of question which your unit will be covering. You can see here. Okay, for example, here in this 30 marks theory portion is there in term 1, from part A, that is employability skills. It is, you will be having 3 units. Okay, and from your subject specific skills you are having your 2 units. Okay, so question, number of question and marks is distributed here, and it has also given here that how many questions you have to attempt. Okay, after that you can see here the sample question paper, that how the question will be coming, how they will give the options, and like this you can view your section A and section B with its marks also. So it is the sample question paper. You can easily go with this sample question paper, from which you will get an idea that how your exam will be coming. And one more thing, if you want to view the notes of these units, you can easily go to the part B on my YouTube channel playlist information technology code 802. All the 4 units I have uploaded the notes with its explanation, so you can easily go through that, and from there you will get an idea that all the concepts you have to clear first, then only you will be going to attempt these question. So this was all about your sample question paper of this particular subject, that is information technology subject code 802. If you want to view another subject, then similarly you can go through the website and easily see the sample question paper with its marking scheme. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day and keep learning. All the best for your exams.